Graphene, the super material shaping the future. Graphene is an incredible material made of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb pattern. It's unbelievably thin, just one atom thick, but don't let that fool you. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel, super lightweight, and can conduct electricity better than copper. What makes graphene so special? It's not just strong and conductive, it's also flexible, transparent, and great at conducting heat. These qualities make it perfect for futuristic tech, like bendable screens, supercharged batteries, and even advanced medical devices. But here's the catch. Graphene isn't easy to produce in large amounts or at low costs. Figuring out how to make it affordable and compatible with existing technologies is still a big challenge. Despite these hurdles, scientists and engineers are excited about its potential. Imagine using graphene for clean water filters, wearable gadgets, or even improving renewable energy systems. It could revolutionize industries like healthcare, energy, and environmental science. As production methods improve, graphene could be the key to unlocking a new era of innovation. From everyday tech to life-saving devices, this super material might just reshape our world in ways we can't fully imagine yet. The future of graphene is bright, and it's only getting started. The living vehicle GT39 is a luxurious fifth-wheel trailer designed for travelers who demand the best in comfort and functionality while on the road. Part of the living vehicle GT series, the GT39 offers spacious interiors, advanced off-grid technology, and top-tier towability, making it perfect for those looking for yacht-like luxury in a mobile home. With its expansive living areas, an opulent master suite, and adaptable spaces, the GT39 caters to large families or full-time travelers. It combines high-end amenities with advanced off-grid capabilities, ensuring you can travel far and wide without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're looking for a long-term home on the road or a luxurious escape, the GT39 offers the perfect balance of space, elegance, and adventure-ready functionality. The Hill HX50 is a sleek, 5-seat light helicopter crafted with precision by Hill Helicopters, a British company founded by aviation innovator Jason Hill. Designed exclusively for private ownership, the HX50 redefines personal aviation by offering a tailored and luxurious flying experience for discerning pilots. At the heart of the HX50 is a powerful Rolls-Royce RR300 turbine engine, delivering 525 shaft horsepower for exceptional performance. This enables the helicopter to reach a top speed of 184 miles per hour and cover impressive distances with a range of 500 nautical miles. Its lightweight carbon fiber fuselage and advanced composite rotor blades not only enhance aerodynamic efficiency, but also contribute to its modern, streamlined appearance. Inside the cockpit, pilots are greeted with cutting-edge technology, including a fully digital glass cockpit featuring two 15-inch touchscreen displays that provide seamless control and situational awareness. Safety is paramount in the HX50, with features like a crash-resistant fuel system and an integrated ballistic parachute, ensuring peace of mind during every flight. Combining high performance, innovative design, and luxury, the Hill HX50 offers an unparalleled flying experience, setting a new standard for private Kangoo Jumps. Originally invented by Canadian orthopedic specialist Gregory Leckman in the early 1990s, were first introduced at a fitness exhibition in Paris. The concept was later patented by Swiss entrepreneur Dennis Neville in 1995, marking the beginning of their global success. Initially designed as a rehabilitation tool for patients recovering from knee and joint surgeries, these rebound shoes proved highly effective in reducing impact on the joints by up to 80%, allowing individuals to safely return to sports such as running. Over time, the use of Kangoo Jumps expanded beyond rehabilitation, becoming a popular tool for fitness and weight loss. The boots utilize a unique spring system that enhances cardiovascular workouts while minimizing strain on the body, making them ideal for both beginners and professional athletes. They offer a fun and dynamic way to improve endurance, coordination, and muscle strength. Different models of Kangoo Jumps cater to various weight categories, with the XR3 model designed for individuals weighing between 40 to 80 kilograms, and the Pro model supporting those between 80 to 110 kilograms. Their versatility has made them a favorite in fitness communities worldwide, revolutionizing the way people exercise by combining fun, safety, and effectiveness in one innovative design. The MyEye Pro is a cutting-edge assistive technology device designed to enhance independence for individuals with visual impairments. With its advanced AI-powered capabilities, this device transforms the way users interact with the world, making everyday tasks more accessible and effortless. Whether it's reading books, emails, newspapers, or signs, MyEye Pro brings information to your fingertips, allowing users to read at their own pace with ease. With a simple voice command, users can instantly retrieve the information they need, eliminating barriers to reading and navigation. Beyond text recognition, the device also identifies faces, helping users recognize loved ones, locate objects, distinguish between different currencies, and even select the perfect color. This level of functionality enables visually impaired individuals to engage more confidently in daily activities, enhancing their overall quality of life. Designed to be lightweight and discreet, MyEye Pro seamlessly integrates into the user's routine, making it a valuable companion for work, travel, and home use. Its ability to read text from smartphones, computers, books, and various surfaces showcases the power of AI-driven assistive technology. As a groundbreaking advancement in accessibility, MyEye Pro represents a significant step forward in empowering individuals with visual impairments, providing them with the tools to navigate the world with greater independence. And Nanoscribe is revolutionizing the field of high-precision additive manufacturing, offering cutting-edge 3D printing and grayscale lithography systems. As a global leader in this advanced technology, Nanoscribe utilizes two-photon polymerization, enabling unparalleled precision in microfabrication. With the ability to control feature sizes down to an astonishing 100 nanometers, this technology is unlocking new possibilities in diverse industries. From 3D bioprinting for life sciences to nano-precision alignment in photonics applications, Nanoscribe's impact is far-reaching. Its systems are used across multiple high-tech sectors, including micro-optics, micromechanics, biomedical engineering, and photonics. With over 4,000 active users in more than 30 countries, Nanoscribe is driving industrial innovation at an unprecedented scale. What sets the company apart is its commitment to advancing microfabrication. By reinvesting over 25% of its annual revenue into research and development, Nanoscribe continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in high-precision 3D printing. This relentless pursuit of innovation ensures that the future of additive manufacturing will be more precise, efficient, and transformative than ever before, shaping the next generation of technology across a wide range of applications. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is a sleek and durable smart ring crafted from titanium, designed to effortlessly fit into your daily life while prioritizing your health and wellness. Combining advanced technology with modern elegance, this compact device delivers comprehensive health monitoring features in a stylish form. Equipped with an accelerometer, an optical biosignal sensor, and a skin temperature sensor, the Galaxy Ring tracks essential metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and skin temperature. These data points are analyzed using AI technology to provide tailored health insights and personalized recommendations, conveniently accessible via the Samsung Health app. With its minimalistic design and impressive battery life of up to 7 days, the Galaxy Ring offers the perfect blend of practicality and sophistication. It not only helps you stay on top of your health goals, but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your accessories. Whether you're focused on improving sleep quality, monitoring fitness levels, or simply staying informed about your overall well-being, this smart ring offers an advanced, convenient solution. The Galaxy Ring exemplifies the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology into everyday life, empowering users to take control of their health while maintaining a sophisticated and minimalist aesthetic. In a smart manufacturing ecosystem, machines and systems are interconnected, enabling real-time communication, automated decision-making, and seamless coordination to enhance operational efficiency. This advanced technology incorporates predictive maintenance, allowing potential issues to be identified and addressed before they lead to costly downtime or disruptions. By leveraging data-driven insights, manufacturers can ensure consistent performance and reliability across their operations. Smart manufacturing also offers remarkable flexibility, enabling quick adaptation to shifts in demand or production requirements. This agility minimizes waste, reduces costs, and improves product quality while fostering sustainable practices. Industries ranging from automotive to electronics are witnessing a transformation as smart manufacturing accelerates production processes and introduces unparalleled efficiency. On a broader scale, projects like Solaris are pushing the boundaries of clean energy innovation. Space-based solar power aims to revolutionize energy generation by capturing solar power directly from space. Unlike traditional solar panels on Earth, which are affected by weather and limited to daytime use, space-based solar panels offer uninterrupted energy collection. This groundbreaking concept promises a future where renewable energy becomes even more reliable and sustainable, paving the way for cleaner and greener global energy solutions. Together, these advancements represent the future of technology, efficiency, and sustainability. The Tesla Cybercab represents a monumental leap in autonomous electric transportation, unveiled during Tesla's AI-focused We Robot event in October 2024. This fully autonomous vehicle, designed for 2 passengers, eliminates traditional driving controls such as a steering wheel and pedals, instead relying on Tesla's advanced camera-based autonomous driving technology. With a sleek, futuristic design, the Cybercab features striking butterfly doors and a large central touchscreen, delivering a premium, personalized mobility experience. Expect to debut for public use by 2026 with an estimated price of $30,000. The Cybercab strives to make sustainable and autonomous transportation widely accessible. This innovation is set to revolutionize urban mobility, combining cutting-edge technology with affordability and establishes a new benchmark for the future of electric and self-driving vehicles. ELIN, developed by Grupo Toin, redefines urban mobility with its innovative and futuristic design. This all-electric, autonomous vehicle is crafted for shared use, emphasizing sustainability and efficiency in city transportation. Its versatile interior is thoughtfully designed to adapt to various activities, offering passengers a space to work, relax, or socialize comfortably. Equipped with an advanced air purification system, ELIN ensures a healthy and pleasant environment throughout the journey. The sleek and modern exterior seamlessly integrates with urban landscapes, embodying a perfect harmony between functionality and aesthetics. By fostering a deeper connection between the vehicle and the city, ELIN envisions a greener, more connected future. It sets new benchmarks for ride-sharing, creating a sustainable and innovative mobility solution tailored for the dynamic needs of urban areas.